Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Infinix phone. Friends, you want to reset your phone Wi-Fi setting, so how to reset Wi-Fi setting today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, like the video. So how to reset Wi-Fi setting, open your phone setting guys first. After phone setting, when scroll it, once you can see this type of setting, then click on guys your phone system setting, and once you can see this reset option, so guys click on reset option. Once you can see erase all data, once you want to erase all data, once factory reset, so you can reset from it. Once click on your reset setting, once you can see Wi-Fi setting guys, so guys we will tap here to reset Wi-Fi setting. So guys your Wi-Fi setting has been reset, and once you can use your Wi-Fi setting in your Infinix phone. So as you can see all network will forget automatic guys, you cannot use. So again guys you want to use any network, so guys you will have to select network and enter your Wi-Fi password. So guys I will enter my Wi-Fi password and connect option, tap here to connect. So guys Wi-Fi setting will reset, and guys easily friends we can connect a network and we can use this Wi-Fi network. So I hope friends you have understood how to reset Wi-Fi setting in Infinix phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys with Infinix phone setting, your PC and laptop? So friends, you can ask me comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye guys.